Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget. Today we're going to make rice in Instant Pot. We're going to do jasmine rice. It's going to be easy and you can serve this with everything. So let's get started. So we're going to start by using jasmine rice. I like jasmine rice because it's not too dry. It's moist and it's my favorite. So for making rice, my guide is half a rice cooker cup per person. So we're going to do 2 rice cooker cups of rice, which is 4 servings, so it's for 4 people. So I'm going to start by putting the rice in the Instant Pot, and then we're going to wash the rice. So I'm just going to wash it in the Instant Pot. You don't need anything fancy like a strainer. You just wash it in here, and this is just to get the dust off of the rice. And then you usually just wash it twice. So I'm just crushing a little with a hand, and I'm gonna rinse it. Let me drain it into a bowl because I'm not near a sink. In the older versions of the Instant Pot, like my Dual, I have guides that have numbers here. This shows you, you know, the rice cooker cup size. So this will show you like the guides or how much water to put in. If you have a newer Dual or Ultra, you're not gonna have these guides. I'm just gonna pour this in to the 2 line. But if you don't have the guides, you could just use your finger. So my mom taught me to put it up to this fingernail. Sometimes I like more water and I do the first digit, but you can go up to your fingernail as a guide, and what you would do is you pour the water and you would use your fingernail as a measurement of how much water should be above the rice. And that's just the Asian way of doing cooking rice. Otherwise, you could just measure with your rice cooker cup. So let's close the lid. I'm going to set it to sealing. Whoops. If you have the newer Instant Pot like the Ultra, it will automatically seal. So when I cook rice in Instant Pot, I don't use the rice button. I do 5 minutes high pressure, and then I do 10 minutes of natural release. 10 minutes or longer for natural release. The Instant Pot finished cooking. It's finished with 5 minutes of high pressure. Now we're going to wait for it to do a 10-minute natural release. So after 10 minutes, we're going to do a quick release, or you can just wait for it to do a complete natural release if you're busy cooking something else. So now it's been 10 minutes of natural release. I'm going to do a quick release so that I can open the lid. It wasn't much of a quick release because it's been 10 minutes and it's only 2 cups of rice. So let's open the lid and look at our rice. So check out our beautiful rice. I like to fluff my rice. It's like a Chinese thing. Not everyone likes to eat fluffed up rice, but it just helps make your rice fluffier. There you have it. Beautiful, fluffy jasmine rice made in an Instant Pot. If you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, what else would you like me to make in the Instant Pot? Leave me a comment below. See you next time. Bye.